Hi. Um, I dream that there will soon be peace in the world and no more war, that all of the war implements will be turned, and from now on just development, and that the money that goes to war will be spent on health and other developmental things, and we don't need to have war. I don't think we should have any war unless all the children of the leaders and they themselves go to fight in the wars. If they vote on it, they should have to go and send their families. Nobody else should have to go. And I just hope for peace, and that class and caste, racism, gender and other discrimination will be ended, and that although it's just a dream, I hope it will come true, that there will be equality throughout the world, and that the young generation will have something to hope for. They will feel that it really is possible.